Hello everyone. So in this lesson we'll be learning about swapping the values of variables. For example, here I have variable a and I'm giving it the value 5 and variable b value 8. I want the value of b to be 5 and a to be 8 without introducing variable a and b again. So here we have to introduce a new variable c to solve this problem. So when I give the value of a to c, a will become empty and the value of a will be c will be attaining the value of a. So our variable c will be 5 and variable a will be empty. Variable is like a box and we are putting some value into the box. So the value of a is now a variable is empty, a box is empty, and the value that a used to have now c is having. So this is variable c is equals to 5. Now similarly we'll be emptying the box of b, variable b. Just imagine variables like a box. Now we have variable b and variable a is empty, so we want variable a to have the value of variable b. This is our main problem that we have to solve. So a is equals to b, which means a is equals to b is equals to 8. Now box of b is empty, variable b is empty now because the value variable b used to have now variable a is having. So now b is empty, we can fill the value, whatever value we want in a and in b, and we want b to have the value of a now, which c is having, which is 5. So b is equals to c is equals to 5, which means now we have successfully swapped the values of variables a and b. Let's see the result. Alert a, it should be 8. Control plus enter, and yes, here our solution is a is equals to a, and in starting we had variable a had the value of 5, so we successfully swapped the value. Now variable b is 5 which was 8. So this is how swapping is done, and next we'll be learning more about JavaScript. Stay tuned.